Ito po kami sa Rahina Rica.
Grabe din pala ng mama siya dito. No?
The harp has a soothing sound that can help heal our stress and sickness in life. For centuries, the harp has been used as a symbol of relief, respite, rest, and relaxation of the body. David used it to soothe the soul of his anger and anxieties.
New Year's ride.
That music can heal. The heart music can slow down our heart rate, respiration, and blood pressure. In our world of noise and chaos, stress and speed, we know that as you listen to the soothing music of the harp, you too will be healed. Harp Hits for Healing 4 is especially dedicated to Mary, Virgin Most Powerful. She is attentive to our needs. She intercedes for us to Jesus.
Dito ka tumayo. Ganda lang yun. Sexy. Ayan na. Ano si mama? Magano nga rin ito. Parang. Pangit tuloy yun. Inis.
Mama Mary, bless us.
O sige.
Pati nga. Dito.
Hello.
Pwede pala sa kabilang side. Tormy. Kasama si Tormy, oh. Tormy.
Ito mo na, ni.
Ano yung bro? Para sa ano? Ikaw sa. Ikaw sa color. Teka muna.
Bibili ka ba niyan? Bibili ka?
Ang bibili natin din.
Eho. Ano ba? Picture muna tayo.
Yeah.
Ganda.